What's going on, fam bam? Happy Easter to everybody. It is kind of a nice day out right now, so I just want to take a few minutes to step outside, breathe in that fresh air. Spring is coming. Spring is on its way. So you're going to start to see the ground rising. You're going to start to see the flowers rising. And, of course, hopefully you're going to start to see your crypto rise as well. But a sure way to make your bank account rise is to become an affiliate marketer, because it don't matter if it's sunshine or rain, snow or whatnot. When you're affiliate marketing, you could be sleeping, you could be driving, you could be flying, you could be doing just about anything in the entire world, and it is going to work for you. So that's one of the main reasons why I became an affiliate here at the OnlineBusiness.App, a global CEO here at the OnlineBusiness.App. I can't even talk. You know why? Because I wasn't breathing. Sometimes we get all choked up, and we think about things going so fast in our minds, and we don't take a second to breathe. You gotta breathe every once in a while. I got that sun shining just right. It's covering my eyes like I got a mask on. I'll be Bruce Wayne in this shit. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, make a long story longer. To become an affiliate marketer, one of the major benefits is you don't trade the time for the money, right? So the time that you trade is time that is on your time, not necessarily time that is dedicated or set aside time that you have to do. Kind of like if you had to go to a job at a 9 to 5, for example, you got to be there before 9 and you're going to stay there till after 5, right? That's why they call it a 9 to 5. Or in this day and age, people work way longer hours than that. See, something like affiliate marketing you can do in your own time. You can say, hey, it's 11:47 at night. I'm going to bang out a couple posts. It's 2:30 in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and do this and do that. Heck, I might make a video like I do in the middle of the freaking night where I'm half tired. You can barely see my eyes open. And that's kind of the things that happen. And by doing that, allows you to time manage your time. But taking action on things is where it is the most important. So, it doesn't matter when you take the time. It matters the fact that you do take the time and then you use that time wisely by utilizing something that is going to be an income producing activity. And by doing these kinds of things, you're going to start to see results, right? And when people see you on video, like myself at the moment, they start to identify with you because it's like we're hanging out right now, right? It's like you and me, we're hanging out. If you're into that, give me a dab. Here you go, bud. Hit it right there. Hit you up with some of that prison love right on the glass, right? High five me. Give me that dab. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to all the peeps out there, You need a hug or whatever, just come on over here. I'll hug you right through it. There you go, right? There we go. And for a real one right there. That's right. All you real ones, go ahead and give me your real ones in the comment. You know why? Because, hey, if you're a real one, you know what I'm saying? You know why I'm saying it. Anyways, getting back to talking about affiliate marketing. So, most people have no idea what affiliate marketing is, and not that long ago, I understood what affiliate marketing is, but I didn't know what affiliate marketing is. There's a big difference to understanding something and then knowing something, right? I might understand that electricity, go ahead and powers all my stuff in my house here, but I don't understand how all of that electricity does every single thing that it does, and all of the little parts and pieces on the telephone poles, because I don't need to understand any of that stuff. What you need to know is that it works, and it works every time, and it works whether you are sleeping, whether you are awake. It's kind of like Santa Claus, right? He knows when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake. Well, affiliate marketing. He don't care if you're sleeping, if you're awake. Because somewhere in the world, somebody is sleeping, and in other places in the world, other people are awake. That is true. So, regardless of where you are today, I'm going to give my love out to you guys, you and your family. Happy Easter to all of you that celebrate Easter. And if you guys happen to not celebrate Easter, well, hope you have a good day too, all right? So, just want to send the love, throw out them positive vibes. There's too much negativity in this world. We get all wrapped up into too many things that we can't control, right? So, you can only control the things you can control. And that's what's important here is, what are the things that you can control? Well, the number one thing you can control is your attitude and your thoughts, right? Because what you think becomes a reality. So controlling your thoughts is one of the most important things that you can do for yourself. So if you get yourself focused on something, no matter what that may be, if you get truly focused in your mind, and then you get that commitment coming right from your heart, the combination of the two will get you wherever you want to get to, as long as you stay determined and you have that perseverance to never give up, to keep moving forward. Remember, no matter how big or small a step is forward, it is still a step in the right direction. See, nobody says you have to run when you first get on whatever you're doing and get there quickly, because most businesses, this is how it really works. You start doing something, it's like you just start crawling, right? So you go from crawl, then you start to walk, then you start to jog, then you start to run, then you start to sprint. And that's how you get to where you want to get to. But you may have to crawl for quite a while before you get to that walking phase. But once you start walking, you'd be walking twice as fast as you were crawling. Then once you start jogging, you'd be jogging twice as fast as you were walking. And then once you start running, baby, whew, then you start feeling like the sky's the limit, right? Because then you're going twice as fast as when you were jogging. And at that point, that's going to feel pretty damn good. But then before you know it, while you're running, bam, you just take right off to the moon. And that's when you're sprinting. That's when you're going so fast you can barely catch a breath. And that is right around the corner for some of us here at the OnlineBusiness.App. And it could be right around the corner for you too. But before you can get to that point, you need to put in the work, right? See, hard work pays off. You just never know when it's going to pay off. You just know that it does pay off, right? So some of that hard work is laying that foundation so people understand who you are, what you're representing. They're going to understand what it is that they are having a problem with, and what you're offering can help provide a solution to that problem. So I actually was having a problem with my own company. One of the problems I have is I spend $1 bazillion on advertising. All right, not a bazillion. If I had $1 bazillion, then, probably wouldn't be having this conversation. Anyway, you get the point. I pay companies and people to do things that our software does. So one of the unique things about this software is like replacing multiple people's businesses, because it's all in one software. It has everything built into the software itself. So by utilizing our software more and more, I am making that transition to actually alleviating some of my outgoing bills that I have for my current company. All at the same time growing my online presence in a hyper profitable business by learning from the best people in the business who have the results that we are looking to do on ourselves, right? So if you're looking to make a big change in your life, or if you're looking to start something where you just want to learn something, well, you need to partner up with somebody who has those kind of results and something that may or may not have any kind of money invested to get involved. Right, so for little or no investment, because over here we do have a free affiliate marketing program where you can share your affiliate link and make income on over 1,000 streams of income, which the streams of income keep getting bigger and bigger. We keep increasing. Those number of streams keep getting larger from our marketplace, and obviously the digital products are absolutely amazing. One of the main reasons why, I'm using the software myself personally, so I'm not just saying it. I'm practicing what I'm preaching, but and I ain't preaching anything. I'm just saying. It's not financial advice, by the way. It's just common sense. So if you're not where you want to be in life, then you should learn a skill set from somebody who might have a position that is headed in the right direction of where you would want to be as well. So just make sure you guys all know that you're worth it. That's right, you're worth it. And if you never had an opportunity before, well, maybe it's because you never took advantage of the opportunity that was before you. And if you're looking to take advantage of an opportunity now with pretty much nothing to get started or invested, just more of your time, then You get the best investment in the world for that, because it costs nothing to be an affiliate marketer. All right, if you want to get into like masterminds where you're learning all these behind the scenes tips, tricks, and trades, and all of these strategies, and how to grow your hyper profitable business in a relatively short period of time, well, I can tell you firsthand, I have personally been seeing it work for me, utilizing just a fraction of the things that we are learning, because we are learning so much. You just have to keep refreshing yourself and applying what you're learning, because there is so much to digest, but they're teaching us in such a silly, simple fashion that anybody who is anybody can learn this. I got friends of mine all over the world, right? And that's no different here at the OnlineBusiness.App. See, we have meetings, and on some of these meetings, some of my friends all the way across the other parts of the world, they're at 2 a.m. out of this meeting. Other friends might be at 4 or 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning at these meetings, because that's where it is on their time zone, and so forth. Now, why in the world would anybody want to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning after they just went to bed and they got to go work it the next morning to spend all that time with us if it wasn't worth it? And these people are seeing results. In fact, shout outs to my boy Florian, and shout out to Lorraine. Just on last Webby meeting alone, both of them end up making commissions off of the webinar from some of their people right here, and they made a sizable income, each and every one of them, on the webinar, just for attending, and someone else being like, hey, this makes a lot of sense, and investing into themselves, right? Because any investment you're doing is really into yourself, and that's what I'm doing here, and that's how I'm growing myself personally. So I'm not just saying it, I'm doing it, and I got the results to show for it. So, well, aside from all that, I just want to wish you guys happy Easter. It's bigger than money. It's about being a family. And here at the OnlineBusiness.App, we have a legit family going on over here. Everybody's super respectful. Everybody's trying to help each other out. Somebody learns something, does something, knows something, we're all sharing it, because the faster that all of us learn together, the faster we all grow together, the further we're going to go together. Because over here at the OnlineBusiness.App, you're not alone. We're here with you. Now, I got people hit me up all the time. Hey Mike, I see you doing this, or hey Mike, I see you doing that, or hey, I was having a problem with this, or hey, can you help me with that? And the answer is, yeah, I'll help you. Of course I will. Why wouldn't I? You're my brother. You're my sister. We got you. Okay, I work my life away as well, and while I'm in the middle of trying to do stuff, I don't care if it's 4 a.m. I'll do a quick Loom video for you. I'll send one out to you. In fact, I've done that for a lot of people, and I'll do it for you too. That's right, because I want to make sure you guys succeed too. I might not have any financial gain to gain from you potentially succeeding, but I don't need to. I don't need that financial gain. But it's bigger than just trying to make money, guys. It's about making a difference in people's lives and seeing them grow, and then them helping make a difference in somebody else's lives. Because first you learn, and then you earn. Then after you earn, you teach, right? So first you learn, then you learn, and then you earn, right? Now I'm learning. Now I'm starting to earn money. People are like, how you be doing that? How you be doing that? How you be making that money, kid? I'd be like, this is how I be making that money. They'd be like, oh, for real? I'd be like, nah, for real, dog. They'd be like, I want in. And I'd be like, click that link below. Get started today. You know why? Because it's free to get started. Just put in your time. It's just your time. So if you get the time to screw off, then you get the time to learn something, that's for sure. So anyways, I'm over here rambling. If you're still watching this video, then God bless you, because, I don't know if it's my devilish good looks or my amazing personality has got you this far, but if you watch this far of the video, then, I should be paying you. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great evening. Shout out to my OBA fam. Shout out to all you real ones out there. Y'all be understanding what's going on here pretty shortly with this real ones thing. And, give me a like, comment, subscribe if you want to hang out with your boy. I don't care. Give me a good comment, bad comment. It don't matter to me. You know why? Because it's you telling me how you're feeling. And, I get 2 ears for a reason, right? He gave me 2 ears. Only one mouth, so I can listen twice as much as I talk, if you can even imagine that. All right, guys, so I'm always here for you. Do whatever I can to help you. In the meantime, stay blessed, stay bullish.